people are looking up to you. Young girls in your church are looking up to you. They are obeying no and no more. So when they say, Master for mommy, or your makeups, but on your man broso. Master for mommy, or sanity. But and yet, I say, what tell ya, who pay ya, and I obvious.
Hey, mommy, never bang.
That is it. Almost share the kind of dressing you are coming. Edeba, sorry. No one was started as a song with you. So the panel or starting or should be pumpy. There was this lady in my husband's church.
Okay.
And now, Oba, sorry, or peda mini, and in Tyrena, I did that home. She said, but when Oba crash me 1, 2.
Now, Aquaba ever too much ejumedi. Say, do na de won any esi asofo yirenu so ekfa omonta de shame any omu makeup ni se no musi eye omonyema fa. Eya no mu e ka se mo asofo maami ye fo aya ye look up to mo say mo be set good example ama enchirima a mo ebeba ne ebefa so no. Mo sheshe monta ni pimpin just eniema sha sese o kristoni ana asafumame e di ebebo ne brand no e na omo asha ase omo ye de omo eye na mastonsa afre sofumame na meni no ababe echichi nkomo me chami hosima enko bebia Adofo kamehuniema asofumame adepa akraba ni somuso wo no Covenant Prayer Chapel sofumame e chiawo
Ejo so
why fe
so why fe
medase sofumame na sen ko fubo mo chipa so akoya sofumame die menim se wo bo nchechire ma obeko mu dipa amaye Ekofu bomo chipa seslanse monta di shemu no ase eya ye ahometie kakra eni mo makeup so no senke hu ye kewi asefo ya omo de omo no enso nyamisa na nko mo shenta de bi ne wo bomo chipa na enzo mo nkwa sorry but mo na ma ye asafo mami ya ye shemo so e de asset good example no ase kamia ye se mo no na ase mo hihye santa de no ocho de na wo e kafa asemi hu
Oh, me never made us pa na me chia too much GH our phone na
ejos
a question no as of my for I know e din kwachi fire dressing ne ade many want to say dia ukunu any bejam. Yes. Na emom asafuma me fo no. Bebre me fa na say e bia ye kase ya ye ama na broso. O ye makeups. O lashes. Accompany me papa be good so esisi o hu. Me ne ho ne say e bone. Enye bone kwan bia so. Na emom enkofo ahase e judge en enam say ye ma no broso. Okay. Yeah, Emma ne broso. Obe hu na e friend say lashes see aye tin what I say na e friend say nails see aye tin any sa ne ma ne me de keke ni achi na adoso say ye ma ne broso a ena ma fofre wa chire no e hu ne say e dey tin as of my me dey ko ye makeups ne ade but it is what your husband wants.
It is what your husband wants. Yes. So it's not what about the society wants. And I say how the society sees you.
Not at all. I didn't want to make any mistake. At my time, me makeups yemu, me nails yemu. Ain't no. Abraham me worry so furious. Me say that it's nice.
Okay.
Ebisa the who say daddy makeups any entire be any nails shiny adino any asomade akese share those things no me sure chire me mu na ka so for me for there ye hu ye fiche ntoma go see na oh ni asachichi duku na ka ho what I say nene ko bi ru so dem ho say so for me what I say nene kron erade but me hu ne say me resisa Okay. Emre ekonanim. I want near maybe.
Okay.
And now, me do be fato ho. Won say you evangelist ladies ni bi wo ho no ma.
Okay.
Minimum bi potin a me ne netina me fan say baby a me wo. All starting no obe hu duko. Ni ntare ti say me kan dey sin na season. Na ne wahye na ne hu na no say but almost a word was to man or but I said, on almost a reason they go and now started so popular. And now will be a back will say, Sissan Nema. If it's a mammy cousin window, say we are suffer, and answer of mammy, how could you be any crown or hot from Bona, sister, or the pam? Sir, or bet catch or bet Cassie when him, I'm home say, would they? I shall pass a woman sister. What I say, dressing isn't bad, but and yet a person.
Dressing isn't bad, but
at all.
Mr. See, baby, I was a boy, you say, oh, dressy at the Amaukuno. And singing me who ye are beginning, I shall send me a boss or Sasa for my medianca. Yes, now look up to you, even church members crown, they look up to you. And so, who can they say, who dressy at the Amaukunoa, a honor, a chimagine so kakra. Me da se me ba me call me kuna sorry for me kan say no e maya ni bi addressing enye okay also like nyese obi a oba sorry I say onya bibia na wa fashion apuskele ke
no dia ba sorry
chichirebo
bibia na wa fashion no dia ba sorry what I say and so the woka say ye hwa so asafo maame fo so me insista ye bi enye se ma sha tare mini me tire mi she mini ubisa prophet a abaka cho mini she baby ani si me na say but I make sure say it is nice entino ema ya ni bi afi de afi ye kwa so me afo bi hu na nipa na ko ba chale kwa na da na ase no wa ye no ogina he so so only here no shut down shoe. What I say, people are looking up to you. Young girls in your church are looking up to you. They are obey no and no more. So when they say massa for mommy or your makeups, but on your man broso. Massa for mommy or sanity. But and yet I say what tell ya who ya na obvious.
Hey, mommy never ban.
That is it. Almost share the kind of dressing you are coming. Edeba sorry. No so start here as a mudi. Say nipa no starting na o she bibi pampe. There was this lady in my husband's church. Okay. Na oba sorry opeda mini any entire na edida wo ho na she no but when oba kakra hwa me 1 2 afi mini o den yo everything is gone.
One approach no.
Debbie ma o appearance and Cassandra sorry. That's all.
Wow. My appearance and Cassandra sorry ma. So for mommy, what are the challenges that you as for mommy no? So what of mommy dear? What are the challenges that you go through? As for because they say yeah papa so for what are the challenges that you go through as also for mommy?
Oh, challenges need your baby. Mekane say obi what's the home for na mfa say bi afi na waba so for aware wo de wabetena sorry and ebetinya ba ne say na maya bi wo ha mo feel no be jin ho what you say and adena say na me sorry nim okay I just came from nowhere into who be yankofo hi ebi kura be jaya sorry ni ade Tane manema no ene wani dey from all the time. But enyo munti na oba and you just ignore them.
And you what film?
Oh yes, and do before we bring. Na bring fi say me to be bring my husband church. We bring jai.
Ni na say no feeling no.
Oh yes. I'm going to dey na ni frefra. na mo me ja ukom ba ko me nu because say we obanti no obe hu say sumesi because say ade we all yenti the reaction be mo hu say no pay.
Okay.
From nowhere no be fufura abadia.
Na eba sana eya embuma bem.
Ade e wo sesi.
Okay.
Sana me hu. Ade e wo sesi say bema bia o yesofo e ware a. O ware wi a. Sa de na wo say challenges na. Say obi free asori ni mu because no pen na ware no eni sa o timi waka me de. Eno die. No ma. E wo so obi free no bi ba. Di anyame a hye ne so obetina. Ono obetina. E won pen obekọ.
De won pen obekọ. Asofo maami mi sami obi sabio. Ya asofo maami for na yo mu church members e obi ma hye entade tete bi wo from a. Se ni mu besi ni church member na kasa no. Etimi ma wo church member no kwa no uboto ejai asori no. Na yese church member be shata de ma asofo maami afre no echi nanim.
Me ba jo me das. Obi shatare a enso na me na de ba sorry dem asasafo ma me wo ho kwan se wo be frɛ ene na kasa but enya abufu so on say ye mu bi yama na broso eno no me fansa akoye titimren be kaiser me ko program bi me do ho no ma chinchinchia me boduku na was new there ti na obi a afi na maba ha de also bi wo afi kwa na wo ra sorry ni
Oni me ho rules and regulations
emra wo ho ene wa hye bia na odi aba onya me fie yampu nipa kra enti na me asase me ka se wo appearance e be sanipa e bi wo kwa ho wa no nka but wo ra sorry ni because say wo hu se ensesan bi wana se wo ra sorry ni wo hu oba bia se wa hye atare an hu guo like yantuma ya pam ni opan ni tintintin we hu obi a wa dress that basa na wo ho ma the next time a obeba no wo no hye disen mako ni nchen ekotiatia no ebe kasa nanim ebe ma nipa no apam na free nyame fie die wo de ma wo appearance kasa nche nipa that's all
e hu hia so ma me be friend church member na wo timi
kasa wo betimi atunfo a friend oh mommy in a nice way mommy what I read and all the serial account atare de okuto yam se wo hanyina agu ho ke bitimi aya next time o ba hyede a ho e be kata wo ho kakra yen kan se okuto ena wa shatare a wo tun nyina go enti wo hu ye
be so asofo na sha na
be so be tunu kunu sentibia ya so mama asaf mama for motisa obedi watem in a way uti na jimi kunu fi mi se wo I say asofo ya your friend is emaya bon mo nchen e wo fie ni ade obi wo person oba on nchen obi wo person oben ho na nipa na oba no address basa o address basa no wo asafo ma na ushi an so utu ni fo no sign okay o shatare papa but say wo betiatia no ado person wo bedi ni confirm himself you should know your husband wom say emema bebre chiti asofo bebre mu chiti but you should know the kind of husband onenete and son na wakote ante obiba
okay me da say na uka assembly ewo ha efa efie mo aya na as church members eba no se me de hu ye ka church member de ye hia wa sorry a enye nkomo bia sorry dem nkomo bia wo so so fudi na wo so na woni na ye de edi wo na a church members aya na especially a ma aya no mu ba so fufie o so fie besra o so fie be hese it is not proper so like yes was say church members fasa kwan so ana and how do you the asafomani ye nkunu how do you feel about it
sweetheart ebi o wa meka ne se stofo no de ahye wa bra na wo ni ho oma ye used to say omo ba stofo ne fie wa bra na on worry what I senti ahyase no wa worry wa wie no wotimi pam mo saa akwa what I say wa worry nti no won ala obi ama ne ma ne chen e wo fie eyen kakra
okay
eyen kakra wo ne your friend say ukunu no kasa ne ade emayo mo befe ebi kwa na menni ho ne ade so bia na dwe mantemu a wote na ebi efi a wote mu ebe so bia na dwe emaye ba wonche firi koba wa ado a wo yiri ni around ne ade no ebe create other impression ewo abonti enti no wo no na wasa woni nipa no kasa nkakra no onwa ni kwa obefa so onyo mo be kasa oh sisi ade nisha me wa sorry dan ho enya wo na be kasa emaye na firi nche but kwan a wo be fa so a wo ne wukunu be kasa ebe ma ne ne omo akasa emfa ntokwa bia ma anase mo bi nkoja ya sorry se so for worry ne yire pam yi enti no ye de yan kwa sorry hobi no
okay
e wo so ho kwan a wo fa so ene be ma ne be kasa obe oni omo be kasa o hia omo wo efie ni sanye
okay but in our 21st century and be would you still encourage say sorry for girls omo boss of you will you still encourage it to happen abra wonim say ekoso a bi betimi atoko say bi o your sofo all right but be ma de ye yi nyame wo sare friwa o ye nipa to say ye ya it would you encourage it say enkoso a say net 21st century still no just remember na boss of you would you encourage that
na me ka say ni na ya nkomodi a wukunu no betimi ne o maide edi afa fi say de ti ameka sa o oba ebi a ukoka ukuna ni nje ho ebeba say ebi a o pam ne members what I say o pam ne nko fire efiri because sa na wo dia share wo monti no na me enunti na me ka say e was say be ma no ne hu said ya obesi a woni o mere ebe kasa me ka ni kwa da nka ba ka chose kufi
Kofi na fie do
medie na make me medie
wo do be pam
we ka me fa da ka cho say sister Shanu wa sorry
be ha me kunu
Shanu wa sorry na so ni say e bia na wakoka na ono na hu e bia wo ka ye no na so fine o say no ho na wo ja sorry yeso ye pa kra na banyame ye mpese be pam kasa
iyo me that's so for mommy na me question last time be sa wo any say minim so be bia pay attention na ebinim say ye papa ma so for so de bia ma ye busy and I me bompa ya mo we and I me yes say count no so for me sha sorry dem ma need me boss sick that fe no be fie ebi ka bia nya wo be no akra na te say bia no asay enti na ko ba say we asa for mami a unya attention a wo penya crowd wo pe free wo no ho no how no say you mean cast but how do you feel say see here wo
they only say so say as of my because of attention my dear you not get it you not and the pay attention unya bi they tell me because unya bi
mo so mo calling na ya so ma me no jawo
na waka as of mama to be an asafuma calling
what be for jealousy room
there be but no dey out you cry taboo say obe jealousy obi a oba ukunche and the counseling and I say because all the time if you cry mama can't say me so it is me kunte so like there was a time no matter me mada ebi any no attention na ye kan mada and instead of oba da me chen no oye ko anadwo mu ni na na obi gina phone so bompa na was dundum ho wo ni na light edum no akɔhye ko na ba bi na obompa ba so efi bedroom e besina ko washu oni we hu se ye me kwan bo na obesia me besia ko washu mi hu yan se machi pa ofo there's madam go for cry wait me when it's so light. Hey, Queen, I'm sorry. Queen, I'm sorry, okay? Queen, hey, I didn't see you. My God. Oh, man. I didn't hear this one. Yeah, dear. Ow. And then the movie me free. We put the phone as well there. Yeah, for Kowa, na Kotiada.
I don't know what you know. Was a science. Hey,
Yes, it's true now, Kowa, na Kotiada.
Ma kamba wechi.
Oh, Miss Sim, we not my home enough. No, I didn't know nothing. One was so she oh, no, say me. I say me, I have so we are comfort.
Hey, I don't know. We are one of baby more day than for us. It's like a very more.
Make come to as of my media. Attention, dear, Miss Row. And no, dear, me fast 100%. I will 10.
Hey,
when I'm 10 pay.
No, I couldn't even bet you.
Hey, make come to no win 10 pay. 10 penny at the moment.
And then we remember no giant. Who for ye?
Sam Nesso. I call it. Me pa onyame afro asafo ma me dey ma utimi sanity
me bo na say funny say nipa no oye jealous naturally ne bia e ma de so no say ni sifate oye jealous na be mo konya no susu ye osofo na wo koye asafo ma me da asafo anu ya wo jealous hunhumi. How can you deal with it?
Hey, sir, we are jealous there. Say na ma say you.
And so we say wo bompa e fa mo na.
Of course. Asafo mami bia sasa jealousy honhom no wo mu dia de bia ukun members beko, you will lose all your members omo nyina beko ena me fan say asafo mami ade bia na wo hu asori na bibia na wo de wani ho na wo be react a e bi kra na nya de boni o ba no obi e bu ofu wo no start no complain na wa jai na asafo mami ni yesi ena o yesi e bi sukura na nka wa nka ne bone so enti sa jealousy ni di we are so mama it should be out.
I am metiti bi so say asafo am bi wo hono maka me de me kunu kwa na yakopon ye de e friend no na me asafo ma me de me nye de me nka ho
Mpacho enyesa onti na ka na hyese asafo ma me bia ye call.
Okay.
Say onyame no wankasa untimi nya asafo because said ya and sorry ma a o ma worry e fa problems no sa na yesu ye fa bia kwa de worse.
Oh,
but yen no feel say ukunu ye so o ya asafo ma me untimi mfa wasem meto abontin
ka me be so sense ye ba sense mu di mu ya na mo ni no e ko kasa.
You have to talk to God, that's all. Untimi mfa wasem mpa abontin ko kan true be say asem we na ekoso o fie ene sa na ma enti no wo de ene say woni obebo mpai wo de ene say obebo mpai e fa problems mu e fa te say dia obi wa sorry de no kana say no akọ counsel no kana centers of no obi su of me kuno ene fa hennes ni ha e fe si bi pa neso e san say e quality no to one America.
Na so won bi se e bia so asafo ba na nye wo pese na wo hu wani chia pose so fi de ni mpuna ni abai we ye wo asori dem ni na so akoya asafo ma mi o ha wo se na wo be fa asam no wa kuma se so hu oba na nya so ko bu boni blows bi
say ye nipa sa de de be ba be hye wo pa se nka wunya ya na nka wunya so fe na watimi achina wabobo na sum left and right enso untimi nkoye
oni tu ase mi kunu mpuna nie
ba cho untimi nie de awe ya ni se obebo mpa ya ma oku na one na kasa untimi nya ho hwe untimi nya asafo ma bi na sem beto abonten na sema ni kunu kafa ne ho ne ade asafo ma me timi gina ya besi ne woni ni kunu te. It tells you that you shouldn't go out and spread your wanting.
Na asafo no kan buzo kuma ne ni ma no
ni guasia wakotwe mpena na wo san ku ni oyere nani mase a kire wo mpana no like who can sama enye fa oyere no ho e kire wo mpana no abetwa ni oba na record na abetwa abonten en sama eni senka so fu ana so be na bia kwa kafa na yere na abetwa abonten na oba na say still ametna
you're calling it's a toda etimi hye mo se mo hye situation ni amane amokoma etimi hye mo se mo jaya ware na monko live mo life
eno de papa say enyema bi koso ne ade me say o ware wi a e wana nso hwe ne ba enso hwe no e wana hyase me fa me ka ne say abrabo no wa ware awie e wana hyase e wana ekukuhwi ase ene de free he ba ye me say biara ware alika wa ko bia ka
za ka kire mia
me ne husband be ware
okay
ene me niema ya de be ye me ho ade me kawa ene entoma ne ade na ye toton me kunu ade ba kumase e be yira o VIP enti na ne nyina me fa ne se me ka ne se science o be ware a e ho na o start hu en social ni ade ebam de ni se wo hu o sikasem o dwumasem o ministry sa anya ma etimi eto fon kra e ho no wo wura wia first 3 months first 5 months lady kind o be pena ka wa jai kwa potra be hit won't that is it ede etimi ye dia ma wunya o to na kwa me se nyam se na de tokwa ba tere be yanka mo be jan na so
be mo do ni yele
o ya no achi watan o so pe tokwa do na matnas eye ni pasu what I say ni pasu ni pa emoja na memu enti eye den ya se bibi ba wo be pesa wo be yele wo be twu hu afre ni pa enyina ni pa na so enam say ono ne e won call o call enti no you have to come together eye den ya wo se mo
na asafo ma me so wo se wo ye mpai bo fa na se wo se wo do fa ne tia da no do ye so fo
David en fa ne se wo kunu kwa ne ya friend ya friend so aka ho
okay
wo na wo be ye ni chi taifo
okay
ama ade na wo ye akoso te se wo ji wa adwene se me de nye ye friend se wo na ya friend enye me na friend te se de asafo ma mfo bi ka no wo dress basa no de na mabonte wo kunu mufi
na fasting yi so
ene ma I was so ye who kunu ye 30 days I was so ye 30 days who kunu ye 100 days I was so ye 100 days na eja odonti no consider was break time we no acha we didi no enye sa wo kase sei ne ye ya sei ne ye also time the cha ne bi o ye bi also time the cha
say me nim say asofo ma me kwa man new situation hard situation say
e bi o pa
yo ya breno ayabe na ansa na me jawo ama wakono asofo ma me efutu ben na wodi ma emebunu abaso ni wona wo situation say bi ma moya asafo ma me eni o mun tide hyemu no efutu ben na wo ni kwahye se ben na wodi ma omo a omo so aware asofo fresh no
ni aba me dase dia me catch ya hwefo too much it ashefo and any say maba wa ye ba ye ni ji ho se ye be ware asofofo enafo kra ya de mo den yi se wo ni ji ho se fancy bia ye de wa be sofu ma me abetina so ni ye na sofu ma me na sofu jina puppet no ye me wife ni me don need those things na wo hye ho e de akase wo be ya sofu ma me dia or for you are wrong. Fase wo ne ho se adwuma na wo ba mu. Woni wo kunu e na e ba baye. Wo tai na chi. Ensuo mu amani mu ahaw mu. Ene me nuanom asafo maamefo a ye bubu nua gu yasum eye de ayepe. Ye bubu nua egu yasum na ya kasa ye se ye be hyentare ayepe. Fine, yes ye ma ye kwan lashes ene bibia e ya hosisi. Wo de sisi ho ama wukunu eni age ho na so enye ade e wasa wuyama na boroso e ma mansai ka ho asem ye topic na ye de usi ha na ye ka na de usi ya na ye ka yenye de be so ye kunu mani efri se omo ne yeyeti de obeka say ye ma me no eno na wasa wo oye e ma no wo ya na chese waye nyame so asede nyame sho ye
yo yeda so mama emo watu ye futuo bebre na menim se adofo ebefamo aba me kwa so mafa emo aba me dasi bebre minim se obese kucha wajen efa ene ensemia midi bra mo nti no mese mo se kwa YouTube channel ne ko subscribe be eko too much gh na in the comment sections na cha wajen na follow Facebook, Instagram and Twitter na mi amedi ene ensemi ebra mo midi edi efia enstroma eda se na ye besen ehia makra mo